Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. We are meeting after a long time, isn't it? Okay, today we will start with Unit 3. In this unit, we have poem One Little Kitten. And in this poem, you will learn about various animals and numbers from 1 to 15. So I think you will really enjoy this poem. So shall we start? Okay. So here is your poem, One Little Kitten. So first of all, you will open your textbooks and you will write today's date 4/9/2020, Friday. And you know what? Tomorrow is 5th September. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Do you know that? Yes. So now let's start with this poem. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats, five fat fishes, six sad seals, seven silly seagulls, eight happy eels, nine nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat fleas, 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 donkeys with 15 tails. And this poem is written by Caroline Graham. So in this poem, the poet is telling us about various animals, means different animals in a rhythmatic way. And when we sing this poem, recite this poem, you feel very nice and you can learn it very easily. So here now we'll explain this poem, One Little Kitten. Now what is kitten? Kitten is a baby cat. So there is one little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies. Butterflies you have seen, it's a colorful insect. Four big rats. Rats, you know, they move about in your houses and eat up all the things in your house. Five fat fishes. Fishes are fat and colorful water animals. Six sad seals. Seals are also animals, sea animals. They move about near the lakes and lakes. Seven silly seagulls. Seagulls are also animals. Eight happy eels. Eels are snake-like animals. Nine nervous lizards. Lizards, you know, they move about on your walls in your houses. 10 brave bees. 11 smelly elephants. Elephants you all have seen. 12 fat fleas. Fleas is an insect. 13 alligators. Alligators are like crocodiles. They live in water animal. 14 whales. Whales are also big fishes. They live in water. 15 donkeys. Donkeys you all have seen. And 15 donkeys have 15 tails. Yes. So see here. You can see in this picture. Here kitten. You can see here cat. And you can see rats. and you have this elephants, and you have your alligators, and this is whale, and this is eel, and this is fish, and these are the bees, and this is seagulls, and this is donkey, and here is butterfly. So you can see all the different animals in this poem which are mentioned here. And here is numbers from 1 to 15, counting from 1 to 15. 1 little kitten, 2 big cats, 3 baby butterflies, 4 big rats, 5 fat fishes, 6 sad seals, 7 silly seagulls, 8 happy eels, 9 nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat fleas, 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 donkeys with 15 tails. So, and here are new words: cat, fat, rat, sad, tan. A fat cat saw a rat. So this poem you will learn and you will write in your notebook like this, how I have written. See, I'll show you. You will write like this neatly in your English notebook and learn also. See, you will write today's date 4/9/2020, Friday. You will put heading like this, Unit 3, poem, 1 little kitten, and you will write like this. See, and like this. You will write this poem neatly and you will learn this poem and try to understand the words and read with correct pronunciations. So, stay home, stay safe.